All right, we're from Fort Washington, Pennsylvania today working. Donnie, Don, how you, sir? How you doing up there? You doing? That light's a little crooked, Donnie. Hard to get straight. It looks like it's over here like this. There you go. There you go. Beautiful day, huh, Don?
Yeah.
Good day to be putting up holiday lights. Good day to be stringing. Got some touch up to do there. Yeah, might have to double clip it. Hey, Don.
Yeah.
Not to pick on your workmanship. You got a light here to fell. You might want to put 2 clips on that on your peaks. Looking good. Beautiful day. Warmed up nice. It was chilly when we left home. Mama, you keeping these guys straight? You keeping these guys straight with your stick? Hitting them? Beating these guys? Keeping them straight? Pow, 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 pow. Especially this character up here. You gotta watch this guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's dangerous.
Uh-huh.
Yeah? We need to do something with that one there too. Think? We'll have somebody come up later today, walk around.
For ended today, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Final touch up.
Yeah, get stuff out today. Get it in the sun, get it warmed up. Yeah.
And then
fine tune, light check. What you think? Gonna work out like you planned? Got a nice taped up, keep all the moisture out. What is Mr. Johnson up to? He's doing good?
He's doing good. He's still got a...
What are you laughing about?
Because it's Gary.
Oh, he's joking? Oh, I thought he called Rudy. He called you?
No, he called Rudy and then Rudy passed the phone over.
He didn't want to talk to Rudy or I, did he, Rudy? Rudy. He didn't want to talk to you or I. He didn't want to talk to Graydon.
No, he called me 3 times. But the one when we are in driving, we can enter.
Yeah.
We are entered right here, and he I think so. He listened to Gary.
I heard
Graydon
Gary on
right
him.
here. He told me, and he said, "Graydon is there. Can I talk to Graydon?" That's why I give you a phone.
He doing okay?
Yeah. They're not going to move out this year.
For the refrigerator in the back? You know, he used to bring you and Lady fish all the time.
Yeah.
Good eating.
Yeah.
But he was doing okay? So he's still having a little bit of problem?
Yeah, still having trouble like going up and down stairs, but happy otherwise.
I got you. So we're gonna start here.
Yep.
Like where we got that piece hung, and we're gonna move that piece up a little bit, right? So that piece will be bunched up. Yeah. So we'll swag it all the way around here to the property line, down here.
Yep.
And then we'll continue down this road, down to here, down to this guardrail.
Yep.
I want to walk out there and get run over. Guy's going a little fast. A little.
It's a ways way down there though.
Yeah.
It's gonna look good.
Yeah. Okay. That'll look real good at nighttime. That'll look real good at night.
Anyone and everyone who, hey, we're coming to so-and-so's house. Well, it's like a runway strip. You got all these lights here. Coming around the corner, you know you're at Lance's house.
Yep. Yep. They coming here?
I think so.
I was going to get out of your way.
I don't want to hit you.
I don't want to get run over. Yeah, that wouldn't feel good.
No.
Kind of ruin your day, wouldn't it?
A little bit.
All right. Let's go pick up some wreaths and come back.
Yep.
Let's take a look up here. How far are the boys going down on this?
I think they're almost all the way down. To one side.
All the way down to the guardrail?
Yep.
It's gonna look nice. It's gonna look nice. Get the wreaths up here tomorrow. You got wreaths coming?
Yep.
What you doing here?
2 30-inch wreaths.
Lit?
And that's the only ones you'll be able to see from the front side of the house. But yeah, we've got one on each column.
Yeah. You gonna put some bows in them? What do you think?
Two simple bows, nothing crazy, but 2 bows.
Okay.
2 lit wreaths.
Okay.
Fully match the garland.
Yep.
Warm white.
Yep. I think that'll be nice. I know that'll be nice. That'll look real good. What do you think, everybody? Buddy! Yeah, this is gonna be sharp. It's gonna look good, Rudy. Mama, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look really good. Gotta finish this left side next. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look really nice. It's gonna look nice. Columns looking good, aren't they?
They are.
Yeah, that's really gonna look sharp when it gets dark out. Give it a couple hours.
Yep.
This is gonna look nice. Nice. Donnie, looking good, buddy. Uncle. Alrighty, we're gonna go around, check out something else. We'll be back here in a couple minutes. Good back here and see what these guys are doing on this back garage. That's gonna look sharp. Roof line all done. That's gonna look good at nighttime, Donnie. It's gonna look sharp, nice and bright. Yeah, that'll look good. Nice work, Don. All right, let's go back up here and see what these guys are doing in the front yard. It's gonna look good at night.
Oh yeah, very beautiful.
Absolutely. It's gonna look nice nighttime. And tomorrow we'll finish the other side. Then we got 2 wreaths to put up on the stone. That'll look nice too. 2 30-inch wreaths, white lights in them, warm white. That'll look good. Bows.
Yeah, tomorrow very look good. Tomorrow finish over there.
Yep, absolutely.
Yeah.
How you doing down there, Kev? How's it looking down here? Getting there?
Yes.
Yeah. How you doing, Nort? Doing good? Getting her? Getting her timed out, ready? 6 hours. He bring you down another timer?
Yeah.
Got a black one? Yeah. You set it for 6 hours?
Yes. I said for 6.
Trying to figure how we can get more green over here, the show. On this? Okay. All right. Yeah, we want to move this around. We have more. If we can take, move it around and move this, so we've got more green, more lights around in here.
Okay.
You know what I mean? That there is good, rest is good, but this needs to be moved so this is more over here.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. That'll look better.
Yeah.
That'll look better if we move that around over to here.
Yeah, on the outside.
Yep. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.